If you want to use SSL offload or acceleration in the Cloud Load Balancer or Web Application Firewall, you'll need to upload an SSL certificate and key. The process is fairly straightforward if you're accustomed to implementing certificates on web servers, so I will demonstrate how to implement in our UI. First, you need to have separate key and certificate files. This is common in Linux web servers, but not in Microsoft Windows. If you export a certificate from a Windows server, you'll need to export a .pfx with the key, and then use OpenSSL to break the key and cert apart into separate files. We have a knowledge base that goes into further detail, and you can find it at totaluptime.com/kb and search for Microsoft SSL, and you'll see it right there. Assuming you have the separate key and cert files, you'll go to the SSL tab in the networking section. First, we'll upload our key file. If your key is password protected, enter it here. Mine is not, so I'll leave it blank. Then enter the key format, which is most commonly PEM. You can tell if you open it in a text editor and look at it. PEM must be base64 encoded and have these headers. Now enter the key type, which is most commonly RSA, but you may wish to confirm. Our UI will provide feedback if you have this incorrect, but the defaults are set to the most common. Once the key is uploaded, we'll upload the SSL certificate as well. Again, PEM is the most common format, but you may wish to confirm. Now that the certificate and key are uploaded, we'll need to pair them. That is, to tell our system that this certificate belongs with this key. I'll enter the name, select the key, insert, and click Save. Now before we move further, we should link our certificate with an intermediate. You'll see a red alert icon here advising us of this. It's important to link to intermediates to prevent browser warning messages about certificates being untrusted. So I'll select the row, then click Link, and then choose my intermediate from the list. When you purchase your SSL certificate, their certificate authority will tell you which one it is, but you could open it on a Windows machine or use OpenSSL to determine that as well. In my case, I'm using one of the free certificates from Let's Encrypt, so I'll choose their intermediate. Now that we have the certificate and key uploaded, paired, and linked, we can attach it to our pack. So in the Networking Configuration Builder, we'll open our pack, then click the SSL icon and attach it. If you only have one SSL certificate, attach it using the top button, which associates it using the traditional IP-based method. You can only have one SSL cert attached like this, so if you have multiple certificates, you'll need to attach the rest as SNI, or you can install all as SNI as well if you prefer. SNI stands for Server Name Indication, and it allows the certificate to load based on the host header of the requested site. That's it. Within a minute, it will have saved across our network, and we'll start working. For further information, visit our knowledge base or contact our support team. We're always here to help.